Now here what we're looking at is the notation for arithmetic and multiplication under modulus operator. And so let's take a look at this one that says 7 plus 2, but under mod 3. So what that tells me to do is take 7 and 2 and add it together, and then take mod 3. And the mod 3 operator, what it means is to take the remainder after dividing by 3. And so for us, if we take 7 plus 2, that would be 9. And if we divide 9 by 3, it divides evenly with a remainder of 0. So 9 mod 3 is equal to 0. Similarly, if we take 4 times 7, times 10 under mod 7, then that would be 4 times 10, and then we take the remainder after dividing by 7. So that would look like 40 mod 7. And just keep in mind, if you divide 7 into 40, it goes in there 5 times with 5 left over as the remainder. So that's our remainder, and so 40 mod 7 is equal to 5. So in this one, what we're doing is similar to what we just did, but in this case, we're looking at an unknown value for x. So if we take 4 plus x mod 3 and solve that equal to 0, what would we be looking for? Well, we're looking for a number that when we add it with 4 and then do mod 3, we get 0. So if we take 4 plus 2 and do mod 3, then that would be 6 mod 3, and that would be 0. So what we can say here is that x is equal to 2. Okay, now technically we would only use the number 2 in a case like this, since from up above it says that x needs to be an element of this double bar z of 3, and that stands for 0, 1, and 2, the integers under mod 3 in other words. So that's where our solution would be in this case. We look for that number, it fits the description here, and gives us a value of 0 when we take it, add it to 4 under mod 3. So let's say we look here at another one, 2 times x mod 7 equal to 1. And we're looking for a value within double bar z7, which would be everything up to 6. Okay, and so we look here, which one of those numbers, when you add or multiply it with 2 and take mod 7, would equal to 1? In this case, if we take 2 times 4, that's 8. And if we do mod 7, that should be 1. 8 mod 7 equal to 1. So that tells us that in this case, x is equal to 4.